जगन्नाथ महाप्रभु की श्री नीलाचल धाम की श्री गुंडीचा धाम की सुंदरांचल धाम की नृत्युम्न सरोवर की जय जय जगन्नाथ भगवान की। So I'm extremely fortunate. I'd come so far from Vrindavan for the Katha in Nairobi, Kenya. And today I'm extremely confused. After coming here to all our Jagannath devotees, especially who are from Odisha, I need to recall that am I mistakenly reached Jagannath Puri only? So today is the most fortunate day for this whole planet, I would say. Jagannath is not just the Lord of Udiya, he is the Lord of whole universe. All the Udiyas are the most fortunate, I would say. They have been chosen by Jagannath Ji that he stayed in Puri and leading the whole world. My Gurudev used to say one line in Sanskrit, Ratha Rudhasya Devasya Darshanam Lokamangalam. Whenever Lord sits in a chariot, by doing darshan of Lordship sitting in a chariot, that is a blessing for the whole world. Darshanam Lokamangalam. पूरी दुनिया का मंगल हो जाता है जब भगवान रथ के ऊपर बैठते हैं. I have traveled the whole world. There is no other civilization, thought process, religion, sect or anything where the God himself comes to give krupa on his own devotees. Nowhere it happens. Ratharudho gachan pathimilita bhudeva patalaye ruchir pradurbhava प्रतिपदमुपाकर्ण्य सदया दया सिंधुर बंधु सकल जगतां सिंधु सुतयां जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे. जय जगन्नाथ. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu calls Neelachal Jagannath Puri as secret Vrindavan, and he used to live there. Just like the flow of Yamuna ji reaches to the ocean from Yamunotri, the flow of the Shuddha Prema Bhakti of Vrindavan merges not into Ganga ji, in fact into the ocean of Jagannath Puri. So Sachal Jagannath is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Achal Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Lord Jagannath. They both are same. We are so fortunate that today this chariot festival not just happens in India, not just happens in Puri, by, I would say, blessing of Jagannath ji only, it is happening throughout the whole world. I missed the opportunity to be in Puri, but Jagannath ji is so happy that even he has given me this opportunity to have his darshan in such a far land in Nairobi, Kenya. So I offer my all the pranams, and I would say it is better that I am here, because if I would have been in Puri, I would have been crushed in the crowd. So this is for more exclusive devotees. Jagannath ji sitting on the chariot. Whoever is going to do just the darshan of chariot sitting Thakurji, he will definitely achieve Shuddha Prema Bhakti. Jai Jagannath! Jai Jagannath! Kadachit Kalindi Tata Vipina Sangeeta Karabo. I remember I was a 7-year-old child and I went to do darshan of Jagannath ji. I was standing close to Garudastambha one about 4 or 5 year old Udiya devotee boy. He was standing in the mandir and chanting this Jagannath Ashtakam very loudly. First time I have heard this. And it came into my heart, oh Jagannath ji, I don't know what stuti is this, but it is just attracting my heart. But I want to learn this. As soon as he's finished, he came back to me and gave me a paper. I still have it. And he said, Jagannath ji has inspired me to give you this paper. When I opened it, it had the Jagannath Ashtakam. On that day I realized that how merciful he is. Not even, he didn't took a single second. I asked for just his prayers and he facilitated me with that. So Jagannath ji fulfill all our desires, not just the worldly desire, even the spiritual desire of having and getting his seva unlimitedly. Jai Jai Sri Ram! Jai Sri Ram! I thank you everyone whoever organized the Jagannath Rath Yatra, especially all the Odisha devotees, because you have the right to do it actually. We can only follow you doing this. But a real right Jagannath ji have given to all of you to do this chariot yatra. I pranam to all of you and thank you very much for inviting me.
Pranam Pandit Maharaj ji. Thank you for all your blessing and kind words. Now we are